off with a bare face, I am going to first apply a primer. This is a pretty cool primer from Origins. It's in a foam type of formulation and it has a very cooling effect, which I really like for the summertime. And it's a pretty decent primer. So I'm gonna blend that in and continue on to the next step. Now I'm going to take this concealer from the Body Shop and I'm going to apply that under my eyes and everywhere that I want to conceal and brighten. Now I have to be honest, I did not like this concealer. It was my very first time using it. I purchased it and like I said, it was my first time using it and I was not a fan, but regardless, I made it work. With a beauty blender, I am going to just blend that in. Now this concealer does have pretty decent coverage, I will say. It's just the formulation was a bit cakey for my taste. For my base, I am going to apply the Physicians Formula BB Cream. I absolutely adore this BB cream. It has pretty great coverage on me personally, so I use it as a foundation more than actual BB cream. So I'm going to dot that all over my face and blend it in with my beauty blender. Lately, I've been more into applying my foundation this way, the concealer first and then the foundation. I don't know why, I just started doing that and I really like it. It gives a very brightening effect to put on the concealer first and then the foundation because everything just blends together anyways. Next, I'm going to go in with my brows. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in the shade dark brown. I've literally been using this product for years and I always go back to it. It is just one of the best brow pencils that I have ever used. It's so small and precise and it just always gives me exactly what I want from an eyebrow pencil. I'm going to be filling in my eyebrows a little bit stronger than usual, but still pretty soft and blended. To set my eyebrows, I'm going to take the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Gel in the shade Chocolate. I, again, have been using this product for years as well. It's the best. Now I'm going to prime both eyelids with the LORAC Eyeshadow Primer. Now going in with my LORAC palette, as you guys can see, it's very used up. I'm gonna go in with the shades light brown and pink. I can't remember exactly what it's called. Oh, it's called Nectar. So going in with light brown and Nectar, I'm going to mix those two together and I'm going to apply those two colors to my crease and lash line. And I'm really going to diffuse these two colors. This look is very soft. No harsh lines at all, which is why I chose these two colors because they blend together so well. And both colors give a really nice warm effect, especially the Nectar color. It's really appropriate for this time of the year. With a clean, fluffy brush, I am just going to further blend out those colors. Again, this look is very soft and blended, no harsh lines. Now I'm going to apply a little bit more and further intensify my crease and lash line. And then once again, blend it out with the clean blending brush. Now I'm going to take this beautiful peachy gold pigment and I am going to dot that or pat that onto my eyelids. This color is so beautiful and it's perfect. And there goes the ice cream truck. I'll wait. Now I'm going to blend that in and fuse that color into the crease colors. I want to make sure that I blend everything together so that everything fuses in really, really nicely. Now I'm going to go in with a dark brown eye pencil and I'm going to line my upper lash line. Now I'm going to add some more of that pigment into the inner corner, blending it into the upper eyelid. To set my face, I'm going to take my Mercier setting powder and I am going to apply that with my damp beauty blender under my eyes and on the sides of my mouth because that's where my makeup tends to crease and I want to make sure to seal everything in. Now with a fluffy face brush, I am going to set my face. I'm going to go in a little bit heavier with the powder because it is summertime and it is very warm outside where I live, so I really need to make sure that my face is locked in and completely bulletproof. To bronze up my face, I am going to take a smaller brush, more of a contour brush, and I am going to begin to apply some bronzer to my cheekbones, not necessarily to go heavily with the contour, but more so to warm up my face because I am looking very washed out from the concealer, foundation, and the powder, so I need to bring some color back into my face. I'm going to also apply some bronzer to the sides of my nose. And I'm going to apply some more bronzer to the jawline. For blush today, I'm going to be using the color Melba from MAC, and I'm going to apply that to the apples of my cheeks and blend it in to my bronzer just to further warm up my face. I really like this color a lot because it's not too pink, it's not too orange, it's just like the perfect peachy pink shade and it goes with everything. With that same powder brush that I was using earlier, I am going to blend in everything, all of the bronzer, the blush, and really make everything nice and seamless. I'm gonna take care of that bake under my eyes and just dab it away with my beauty blender. Now, going back with the shades Light Brown and Nectar from the LORAC palette, I'm going to finish up my lower lash line and blend those two colors. For mascara today, I'm going to use a L'Oreal mascara that has a primer side and a mascara side. With the primer, I'm going to apply that to my lashes. And of course, I smudge it like always. But I'm going to keep applying that. I'm going to keep applying that to my eyelashes. And with the mascara end, I am going to apply that on top of the primer. And I smudge my mascara again. I'm actually going to go in with a different mascara. This time, this one's from Maybelline. I like to layer mascaras just for a really full lashy effect. So I'm just going to apply that on top of the other ones. For my highlighter today, I'm going to be using this beautiful, gorgeous highlighter from Dior. It's super pretty. I can't even describe it. It's so beautiful and metallic. But anyways, I'm going to apply that to my cheekbones, the bridge of my nose, and on my Cupid's bow for just like an all over glow. I'm also going to apply that highlighter to the very center of my brow bone, and with a brush, with actually that same contour brush, I'm going to apply a little bit above my eyebrows. And I actually forgot to apply mascara to my lower lashes, so I'm going to be doing that with a Maybelline mascara. And if you're like me and you keep smudging your mascara, I simply take my spoolie end of my brow wiz and just go over anywhere that I smudge the mascara, and it comes right off. For my lips today, I'm going to be using this really pretty and bright liquid lipstick from the Body Shop. And at first, it wasn't going on as opaque as I would have liked it. So I'm going to add a quick layer of that color. And then with a similar color lip liner, I am going to go over the outline of my lips. And I'm going to also fill in my lips with the lip liner. I should have done this first, actually. But I'm going to shape my lips with the lip liner, fill it in, and then reapply the liquid lipstick, and you guys will see that it just makes the color pop that much more and really brings it to life. This color is so gorgeous, so appropriate for the summertime. I am obsessed, and it smells amazing. Now I'm just gonna fix up my hair a little bit, and that is pretty much the finished look. This look was so quick, so easy. Literally took me probably like 20 minutes to do. It's so bright but fresh. It's not too much. It's perfect for a summer night out, a date, fireworks, whatever. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.